Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we will discuss the mode of food spoilage. In the mode of food spoilage, we are going to discuss few terms, that is, the spoilage, the deterioration, and the senescence. Spoilage, basically, it can be defined as in which the food becomes unfit for human consumption is called spoilage. The food is spoiled, that can't be utilized, that can't be consumed. In deterioration, certain unwanted changes occur and degrade the value of the food, but still it is fit for human consumption. Take the example of the fruits, of the vegetables, which we don't offer to the guest, but we consume it at home by ourselves because it is cheaper and it has the quality and potential and provides us the energy and the nutrients. Third one is the senescence. Senescence is basically the aging. That is, in this stage, the tissues become soft and the resistance to changes is lost. So when the resistance to changes is lost, that stage is called the senescence. If we discuss it in the way that how it is grown, how it becomes mature, and how it goes to the death and decomposition, it will be discussed in the following way. That the first step for this will be the genescence, that is the production. It is produced, that is the genescence. It should be considered for the microorganisms, for the fruits and vegetables, for the crops, for the animals, and for the human beings too. The first stage is the genescence, in which it is produced. The second stage is the growth. After the production, the growth is the second stage, in which it is considered that they are growing. And when they grow, they become mature after that stage. That is, the maturity is the third stage. After the maturity, it needs that it may expand its offsprings and may proceed further. So the next stage is the reproduction. After the reproduction, the aging starts. That is the next stage after this. In the senescence, the tissues become soft and the resistance is lost. And after that stage, the death occurs. It dies. When it dies, it is decomposed into its inorganic constituents from which it has been made. Depending upon the nature of the food can be kept for different period of times depending upon several factors. If the temperature is 21 degrees C and other factors are kept constant, the fresh milk, meat, leafy vegetables, etc. will be kept for 1 to 2 days. If it is fruits, it can be kept from a period of 1 to 7 days, and if it is root crops, then it will be kept from 7 to 20 days. That is, the shelf life of the root crops is greater than the fruits and can be kept from 7 to 20 days instead of 1 to 7 days. After that, if it is dried, salted, and smoked, the life of the fish, of the meat, and of the dry fruits and the dry seeds, etc., will be extended up to 365 days or more than that. Remember that if the fresh meat is stored at 21 degrees C, having a huge amount of moisture content, its shelf life will be from 1 to 2 days. But if it is dried, salted, smoked, then the shelf life of the meat will be 365 days or more than that. In the upcoming lectures, we will discuss the uh, spoilage of the stable food, the spoilage of the perishable foods, the spoilage of the semi-perishable foods, etc. in detail, inshallah. Thank you.